y'all, it's Melanie and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be using this PVC pipe to make a backdrop and we'll see how this goes. Oh, by the way, I did get this pipe from Home Depot. It's actually fairly cheap, not fairly cheap, it's really cheap. Like I'm talking about like $2 for a 10-foot piece of pipe, and then they cut it for you for free, depending on where you get it from. I don't know if they cut it everywhere, like at every hardware store, but they cut it for me for free. And altogether I spent $15. I just realized I said backdrop. I meant to say backdrop stand, but it really doesn't matter since I'm going to be making the backdrop as well. But anyway, you're going to need 4 T-pieces, 4 end caps, 2 elbow pieces, and then 3 10-foot pieces of pipe. I got them cut into 4 30-inch pieces, 4 12-inch pieces, and 2 54-inch pieces. And then also I had some pipe left over, so that's probably why you see all those extra pieces of pipe, because I had some left after they cut it for me. I had some left, so I had them cut that into more pieces just in case I decided to do it again. Now, if you would like a higher backdrop, then you would probably want to get your 2 end pieces longer than 54 inches. That way when you stand up in front of it, you won't be able to see the top of the backdrop. And especially if it's tall, then it's going to look a little weird. You got a little short backdrop and you are tall AF. But anyway, so I'm going to be sitting down most of the time, so that's why mine isn't that high. So after you put it all together, this is what it should look like. You just have to twist the bottom pieces to help it actually stand up. The base pieces. You want to twist the base pieces in the opposite direction of the stand itself so it could stay standing. So this is how the backdrop should look when you are completely finished with it. Oh my god, I keep saying backdrop. This is how the backdrop stand should look when you're finished. Okay, now for the actual backdrop itself, what I did was I basically bought some tablecloth from Dollar Tree for $1, and I laid it out, and I would pinch. I will fold it over, that way you have somewhere like an opening to put the pipe through, so it'll hold your backdrop. And then you want to pinch it together like you're about to ball it up, but don't just pinch it together and safety pin it, like to kind of make it look like a curtain. And then I actually went back because I did it too far apart and my safety pins were too big, so I used smaller safety pins. And I just pinned the whole tablecloth. And I did that, I think I had 5 tablecloths. I want to say 2 pink tablecloths and 3 yellow tablecloths. And you'll see in the end how I put them together. Now this is how it looks after I'm completely done. And there is a lot hanging at the bottom, and I cut it already. So I actually have to go back and cut it some more because it's like a whole lot of excess tablecloth. Now in the back, I did put a sheet over the pipe in the middle because the tablecloth is so thin that you can see through it. I do plan on going back and getting some clips. That way I can just clip the entire sheet over the whole back of it. But just for now, I put it where you can see the pipe. The rest of it you can't really tell. See, now when you're looking at it, you can see the pink sheet behind it. But when I actually film, you can't really tell. So yeah. So this is how my backdrop looks, and I don't have any lights on in my room right now. I just have flash on the camera, on the video, and my ring light, and this is how it looks. And I'm not even done. Like, I'm gonna make another ring light and put it so I can have like one right here and one right here. And I'm still trying to figure out how to make a soft box. That's gonna be coming soon. That's what I'm gonna make next. Probably won't be the next thing I post, but I'm definitely gonna be working on it. So this is the finished product, and I like it. I think it came out okay. Yeah, I know, laugh all you want, but for everybody who turned the volume up, turn it down now. I'm more than certain that when the music comes back on, it's gonna be loud AF. So